Hello, I'm Catherine Rinaldo, a personal injury attorney in Tampa, Florida, and have been licensed to practice in the state of Florida for over 35 years. At our law firm, we are very concerned about the health and safety of our clients and also the community in general. For this reason, we have put together a COVID-19 video series to help people know how and when to seek treatment during the time of COVID. Today, we have a very special guest to help us with the topic of COVID-19, personal injury, when and how to treat for pain management. Dr. Norman Azim is here to answer a few questions. He is with the Florida Spine and Pain Specialist. Dr. Azim, welcome, and tell us a little bit about your practice.
Thank you so much, Catherine, for the warm welcome, and thank you for having me. My name is Dr. Norman Azim, and I'm an interventional pain physician that's double boarded. Now, I've been in practice for approximately 8 years, and I have been in the Tampa area for the last 3 years when I opened up Florida Spine and Pain Specialist. So when do you want to seek an interventional pain physician for pain management? If you're feeling that you're having pain that is continuing despite conservative measures such as physical therapy and chiropractic care. And this can be pain in your head, in your neck, in your back, in your joints, essentially pain anywhere. That's where you need to seek out pain management and a pain management specialist that is board certified. At Florida Spine and Pain Specialists, we try to set ourselves apart in that we treat every patient with respect and compassion as they walk through the door. We utilize a lot of patient education in order to make sure that you understand why you're having the pain that you're having and what and how we're going to treat it. Now, what we do is we incorporate a comprehensive pain management approach that is patient-centric. So it really revolves around the patient being at the center of everything and really deciding what they want to do. My job is to give you options, and options that I believe that will help you long term. And that may be cutting edge therapies and treatments that is all data supported. Now, from the time that you come through the door, every single every single interaction that you'll have with my staff is going to be about getting in and finding the best long-term cutting edge treatment for you. We want to make sure that we work alongside the physical therapists as well as chiropractors in order to provide that comprehensive care.
So, Dr. Azim, in the COVID environment, you can understand that people would be very reluctant to get care, even if they're in excruciating pain, because most people really want to stay at home in the comfort of their home. So can you tell us when you recommend that people that are suffering from pain get this treatment, and how are you able to provide the treatment in the COVID-19 environment?
Yes, that's a great question. So COVID, unfortunately, has really affected the way that all of us practice and practice our business. So, we've taken at Florida Spine and Pain Specialists, we've taken every precaution to assure the safety of our patients. So, if it is an in-office visit, what we do is we start the screening process when you call in for an appointment. So, the questions that you'll be asked are things such as, have you had a sick contact? Have you been around somebody that is confirmed with coronavirus? Have you yourself had any upper respiratory symptoms and or fever? Then we're gonna advise every patient, if they do have access to a mask, to wear their mask to their office visit. We'll also advise patients over the phone that whether you bring a family member, a friend, or just a driver, we want to make sure that they are waiting in the car during the entirety of your office visit. Now, when you come to the office, right at the outset, at check-in, we're going to go ahead and take your temperature, and every single staff member that is involved will be gloved and masked. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to take your temperature, and then as efficiently as possible, we're going to get you back to one of the exam rooms and make sure that we start the visit as expeditiously as possible. We don't want people having to wait excessive amounts of time in our waiting room and be exposed to a virus or be at higher risk. And so we want to make sure that we have an efficient workflow and that we're making sure that we're getting patients in and out as quickly as possible.
So if a patient just for whatever reason cannot get into your office, do you offer any other solutions for treatment?
Yes, absolutely. So for those patients that are not comfortable coming into the office, which is completely understandable, we do offer telemedicine visits, and we use a very user-friendly platform. Whereas you can either get a text message on your phone and use your smartphone, or you can get a link to your email and use your computer. Either way, we can conduct all visits over telemedicine again to assure your safety and make sure that you're comfortable.
So Dr. Azim, how do our viewers schedule an appointment with one of your clinics?
So that's a great question. I believe that there's two ways that would be the most efficient way to get an appointment as soon as possible. One is to call our central calling line and scheduling line, which is 813-333-1353. And then the second way would be to go to our website, which is www.flsps.com. Again, that's www.flsps.com. And I do encourage you to visit our website, irrespective of whether you're going to schedule that way or just to learn more about our practice so you can see all the various treatments that we do offer.
Well, thank you so much, Dr. Azim, for taking the time out of your busy day to be with us today and provide us with this very valuable and actually comforting information that there are solutions for those of us who cannot leave our home or don't want to leave our home or are very concerned about being exposed or exposing a vulnerable person in their life, be it an older person, someone that has respiratory problems, or children. We now know that there are solutions that these viewers do not have to be in pain, that there's treatment out there for them in a very safe environment, actually in the comfort of their own home. So I'm Catherine Rinaldo with Rinaldo Law Group. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at 813-831-9999. Thank you.